Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome, handy husband Connor, and this is Finn, currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo sailing, living aboard our 1977 Seabreaker 50, one of only 7 ever made. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. And we are just getting started. Today, we have finally arrived in New Zealand after a 10-day passage from Fiji. We will be leaving our boat here soon and flying back to California to have our baby boy. So then we can return as a family of 3 to Alivo and continue our circumnavigation. So we're doing some exploring today, and first on the list is to check out Norsand, where we're going to haul out on Monday because it is Friday. So this is going to be our home away from home in a year / on Monday we needed to know where to pull in. So wrapped on the dinghy here. It's really close by. Port Nico is just down the way, it's not too far. And it looks like that's where we park, and let's go check this place out a little bit. Our little soon-to-be community.
It's a little scary. In Marina del Rey, they had like nice docks on the side to where the guys could kind of guide you in and grab lines. This, I guess, has that, but they're concrete, so we don't want to drift into that.
Well, we'll have fenders out and throw lines. Hope for the best, cross our fingers and toes. Nice, I just came into the office, just had a nice little chat, and just kind of getting a feel of the land. A little different to see a catamaran, very different than how we'll get pulled out, but same but different. Yeah, and I really like the system that they use. It feels like a little bit more secure than, at least to me, than Marina del Rey. They have like, yeah, these little like all connected there. I like it. Like there is no way that is moving side to side. Remember the stilts in Marina del Rey? I just felt like those, you could kick those out. We feel a little better because we did just find out that instead of just pulling straight in there and just throwing lines pretty deep and far from where the boat is, we are actually going to pull in our port side right here. They're going to grab our lines, and then they're slowly going to guide us in. So that's good.
Yeah.
Feel good with that?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Glad we did this for sure.
Yeah. I thought it was a different haul out. Just, I guess, would that be south of here?
Yeah.
And we would have totally gone to the wrong one, so it was good that we did this on the dinghy.
Think they saw us coming in?
We're coming in! Hold the bridge up! We have arrived at the dinghy dock. This place is so cool. There's just like boats lined up all the way into this river. And I've never seen people like dock like this, where it's just from one pole to one pole, front and bow. Front and bow. Bow and stern.
She's got her nautical terms down.
And check out how gorgeous this little town is. Sending me on a wild goose chase.
Malvina usually loves these things.
I worked out yesterday, and I'm very sad to admit I'm so sore I could barely walk. So I feel like I'm just limping through town right now. That was just 1 week of not working out, just laying on my butt during this whole passage. Actually, I guess it was like 9 days, right?
9 days. Pregnancy's catching up to you.
Yeah.
I really kind of love this place. It's kind of got a little bit of everything that you could possibly need here, which is amazing after coming through Mexico, French Polynesia, all the islands, and just kind of, you got to search everywhere. This is all concentrated into one little town center here. It's amazing. They even got a Kmart. We're so impressed by these grocery stores. I think they're nicer than the States. We got tarps to cover up the boat while we're gone. We got dollars. let's go do some laundry.
I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says wanted. Possum, rabbit, hare, carcasses. Inquire within.
What kind of backwoods hillbilly stuff is going on around here?
What are you saying? Connor's going on a long rant.
Oh, I think I'm in love with this place. It's beautiful. There's so much stuff here that like you can't find in the States. I think in the States a lot of these little mom and pop businesses have been put out of business by the bigger stores like Home Depot and then now Amazon and everything else that you can get online, where here it's just like there's just little hardware stores that look super well stocked with specialty items and, you know, sail makers right across from it and a welder fabricator across from them, and it's just like all super central, perfect, kind of the dream of what America used to be probably, but it's not anymore. And very convenient for us just because, yeah, the dinghy dock's here and we just went straight into town and it was like all the shops, even a shopping center. I even got a bunch of clothes. An outfit for Thanksgiving, an outfit for Christmas. Getting ready for this belly to grow even bigger because I have nothing that's fitting anymore. She might have the baby right now. You gotta work on the pelvic floor. I feel like I'm gonna pee my pants all the time. This is gonna help. I think your doctor would be yelling at you right now. Well, I'm not doing anything like, hey, okay, that was good. The educational value lies in the understanding of time and physics and ball motion, while the frenetic kinetic motion inside the clock complement the wide range of artistic activities around the Vitia loop. The cultural story is also told with a range of devices and images. Down to the second, or down to 15 seconds. Oh, wow. Oh, and those ones go back to be recycled. Cool. They also have a clock museum, so they're really into keeping time over here. Alvina's wondering, are they on time? Yeah, are they really timely people? What is the word for it? Like when you're very punctual. Are they punctual people? Punctual Kiwis. And then this is our friend's resilience boat, so we're going to go see if they're on the boat. Oh, I think I see Kira. Check them out on YouTube, Apparent Winds. Beautiful boat. Do you guys think Aladdin lives in there, maybe? Prince Ali, fabulous he, Ali Baba. Where Prince Ali lives. We're having a real tough time trying to remember to look right first instead of left, but you know, we're making it. We haven't gotten hit yet. Look at this cool spot. Bruce Lee's favorite drink? Water. How does Bruce Lee do his laundry? Washa! Washa! It's a washa. Laundromat. I think we've covered every square inch of Whangārei today. We walked so far. We walked so far trying to look for a bunch of stuff that we couldn't find. We ended up with eggs and bread. We got a bag full of clothes and 2 tarps. And we didn't even get the good bread. Connor just got some cheese buns. Alright, that's okay. You win some, you lose some. Hey, at least I guess I shouldn't say we haven't been rained on yet. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah. We'll be ripping back real quick. We brought our umbrella today though, so we'll be good. Alright. When we came in, the water was all the way up to those rocks, and then now there's just this little tiny river. I don't know if you can get in and out of here at low tide on a boat. We didn't bring our depth sounder. Nobody's tilting yet. And we're breaking all the rules because those rain clouds are after us. Gotta make it to Alivo before they hit us. Connor is driving in New Zealand. We're on the wrong side of the road. This feels... Connor, where are you going? I don't know where this is
is so awkward. We've driven our whole lives, but it's something about going on the other side.
It's so hard seeing a car come at you on the other side of the road.
Who's crazy? Is it us or you guys? Alright, so keep going straight for the next kilometer and a half. Thankfully, it is about, what, a 6-minute drive? At least right now we're 6 minutes away, and only 2 roundabouts that we have to go through, and that seems like the scariest is the roundabout. Oh gosh, what is this car doing? We somehow made it. Oh my god, gnarly. And we got...
It went smoothly. What are you talking about?
Yeah, a little laundry spot.
It
was scary. Laundry hub?
Laundry hub.
Laundry hub.
You're done.
We had 1 washer and dryer at the marina, and not only do they have a bunch of these, look at these industrial sized ones. So we loaded up all of our stuff and we're going to town. After all that, we got 3 bags back here with some extra beer. 1 more passenger here, and accomplished. Woo!
That's a lot of laundry.
Next week, the real work begins. After sailing Alivo all the way across the Pacific, it's time to haul her out of the water and put her to sleep for the next year. What sounds simple quickly turns into days of hard labor. As it turns out, putting a sailboat to bed is a lot harder than putting a baby to bed, which is slightly concerning considering we've never even put a baby to bed before. Maybe this is all just preparation for parenthood. Come along next week and help us put this big old baby Alivo to bed. We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day, and see you next episode.